Hi everyone, this is Angel Valdez for Full Sail University, the server-side language class, and I'm going to talk about the screencast for the user registration form. So first I'm going to show you the input controls and client validation. You can see right here my HTML document where I have my form. I already have my action pointing to the new user.php document, as well as the method post, and I allow the the uploading of files. And you can see basically the HTML with the different uh, the different HTML elements, such as the labels and the input text boxes for the first name, the last name, the username, the password, the user file picker, as well as the submit button. And of course the name attribute, that is the one that is going to include the value on the form post. So then I have my PHP, new user PHP document, which basically is going to check that the file, the form is being submitted. And after that, it's going to display a couple of messages, and then it's going to call the get form value from query string function, which is down here. It's been defined down here. So that function is going to return an array with all these different values inside, which are the first name, the last name, the username, and the password. And you can see right here how I'm validating. And by the way, I forgot to mention that on the client side, I'm doing some basic validations, such as the data is required on some of these fields. Now on the server side, I'm going to also do some validation as well. I'm checking that some of these are not empty. And of course I can do any more validations, such as checking the length of the username to require there is a minimum of certain number of characters, which right now I'm not, but that will be the idea. So I'm populating these local variables that I then insert into this array. It's an associative array. So you can see right there that I'm returning that array that is going to go back to my form values variable that I will then use in this for each loop to go through and echo out the name property of each of the elements on the array, as well as the value for that property. And then of course I also upload the image that they chose by calling this other function, upload image, that's going to go through and look on the global variables for the image name, and allocate, locate the path where I want to upload the image, and then upload it. After it uploads the image, it's going to return the path, so I can then use it to display the image on the screen. So now I'm going to show you the actual functionality of the app. This is the app. So I enter my name, my last name, my user ID, my password, and I choose any file that I want to upload. And just to verify, I'm going to make sure that the directory is empty. So I'm going to go ahead and empty out the directory images. I'm going to go back to the application, click on register, and you see that the form was submitted. You can see right there how I'm going to display the different values by going through the for each loop. Angel Valdez, and the username and the password, that is salt. I forgot to mention that the password is being salt. Down there is being encrypted using an MD5 and a salt. So, and the image is being displayed. And of course, if I go back to my image directory, the image is there. Thank you very much for watching my screencast. I hope you guys like it.